Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to connect T-Mobile Hotspot to your PS5. And first you need to enable and configure Hotspot on your phone. So what you need to do is go to your phone's settings and navigate to the personal hotspot. Okay? And then just go ahead and enable the hotspot and ensure that it's set to discoverable. Set a password for the hotspot. What you can also do is consider turning off maximum compatibility on your iPhone for better streaming quality. Now is when you go ahead and connect your PS5 to the hotspot. So on your PS5, you go to your settings, go to network, click on setup internet connection just like you would with a normal Wi-Fi connection, and select use wireless and choose your phone's hotspot from the list of available networks. Just enter the password you set on your phone when you're prompted, and the PS5 should then connect to the hotspot. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.